This video presents the microwave vacuum drying process of microalgae, a promising method for sustainable biomass processing. It begins with a sample of microalgae. Several vials are shown in a rack, each containing 1 milliliter of microalgae. The rack is then placed inside a microwave unit, where the process takes place. Here you can see how the microwave heating and vacuum process is configured manually. We start by showing the microwave's control screen, where several parameters can be adjusted, such as the time between reaching the lowest cavity pressure and activating the vacuum pump, the time between process start and closing intake, the maximum and minimum vacuum level reached during the process, the microwave auto runtime, which is the total duration of the heating and vacuum process. For the initial test, specific values were selected directly on the screen. Next, we can see the menu interface. After setting the parameters, the process begins by pressing the automatic control button. The screen then displays the current gauge pressure. We see a split screen. On the left, a live camera feed from inside the cavity. On the right, temperature readings captured by an infrared sensor. Here, a manual leakage detector is used to check for microwave radiation leakage. Once the desired maximum vacuum pressure is reached, the vacuum pump is turned off. Microwave generation is activated, and the heating process begins. The manual detector confirms that no microwave leakage is present, demonstrating the safety of the system. Thanks to a camera installed at the top of the cavity, the process is monitored in real time. Boiling water visible in the vials indicates a successful heating cycle. Then, a test with a lower vacuum pressure range is used to assess how this parameter affects the heating. Water boiling takes longer under these conditions. A 3-minute heating process is carried out under a low to mid vacuum pressure range. Footage from the top camera shows water droplets forming on the vial lids, while temperature display in red confirms a steady temperature increase over time. Once the set heating duration is reached, microwave generation stops, and the intake valve is opened to allow air back into the cavity, restoring atmospheric pressure. This innovative process demonstrates a safe and efficient method for drying microalgae, laying the groundwork for scalable and sustainable biomass applications.